Welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new, hi, my name is Julita Palomino and I do all types of vlogs. I like to do a little bit of everything, some fitness, some fashion. It just kind of incorporates basically my life in this channel. So today's video is a little different because I thought I would just pick up the camera and kind of show you guys my night. So today is Saturday, November 16th. It's a Saturday night. It's literally 11 o'clock in the night, and I decided to do this because I really feel like doing this vlog. This vlog is just kind of a little bit of a self-care vlog, productive slash self-care vlog. I've been so busy with work and school because I'm taking six classes, which is a lot for college. You guys don't know I go to Indiana University, so yeah, I'm taking 6 classes, which is a lot. And I'm also working a lot. So whenever I don't have classes or I'm not studying, I'm working. Which is why it's super late, because I worked all day today. Woke up early, did homework, and from then on just literally was the rest of the day working. I got home around 10:30 and I've just been resting for the past like 50 minutes because I'm literally so exhausted. But I knew I needed this night because even though it's late, I really wanted to do a little self-care night because tomorrow I'm literally doing the same thing. I'm going to be working all day tomorrow. Sundays are usually my days where I kind of get my shit together, but because I'm going to Texas next week, I'm really trying to work a lot. I work all day tomorrow, and the little breaks that I have, which is not a lot, I'm going to be doing homework, so I really don't have time to do anything tomorrow. So I thought to myself, you know what? I'm gonna have a nice night tonight. I live with my sister, if you guys don't know, in a 2-bedroom apartment. She actually is going out tonight. I think she already left. Yeah, she already left to the bars with her friend. I was like, damn, should I go out? And I was like, you know what? No, I really need this night. Like I said, I'm trying to save money, so I don't want to waste any money, and I really want to have like a me night. So I just wanted to bring you guys along to how I'm gonna like help myself. This little self-care thing is obviously it's for me because I really need this, but I also just wanted to show you guys. So I just think it's so important to be taking care of yourselves. Life gets in the way, y'all. Life gets busy, school, work, all of that, and I just think it's so important to not forget to just really take care of yourself and really just, you know, just do stuff for you at the end of the day. And tonight, so like I said, I have work all day and haven't had much to do tonight, and it's already late, so I'm not gonna go to the gym. I like to go to the gym, but I will go tomorrow, which is why I want to do this tonight so that tomorrow I have time to go to the gym. First things first, that generally helps me like really have a productive slash like self-care, even though it's not like self-care to me. I love a clean and organized space, place to sleep, place to live. So I'm gonna pick up my apartment because it's late. I'm not gonna go ham and like freaking go all out and like take out the bleach and just start cleaning like crazy, but I'm gonna basically clean up. So my room is a little messy, not as bad as it usually is, so that won't take as long. But my kitchen, I do have to wash dishes, sweep. I want to clean my bathroom, kind of like put things away. Basically, I just need to more so put things where they belong, or like wash dishes. So I'm gonna start out with that. So first things first, I'm going to clean slash organize my apartment. Okay guys, so I'm gonna tackle my room first because it's the least amount of messy. Even though it's still messy, it's not as messy compared to my living room and my kitchen. So I'm going to clean. My bed is basically made, but I have like dishes there, and I just have to kind of put the things away that are on the ground and stuff. So I'm gonna do that real quick. I feel like putting a timer is gonna help me like stay on track. So let's get started.
You call me a saint, but you know I'm a stranger, all willing and able to do what you want. You think I'm a thinker, but I'm just a singer.
Y'all, this is perfect. I'm literally done already, and the timer just went off. I'm gonna finish off whispering this everywhere. Her looks so much better. The only reason I keep this blanket here is because I'm obviously going to go to bed within the next few hours. So I love to use this blanket to sleep. I'm a weirdo, I know, but it smells so good in here because of that. So love that. You guys should definitely get it. Okay, so now I'm going to tackle my bathroom. My bathroom is like clean, but like I have stuff all over here. So I need to put all this stuff away. I'm just gonna like sweep and everything and just make sure it's nice and clean.
All messy and pretty, just making believe. Boy, I'm falling, I'm falling, I'm falling, I'm falling, I'm falling. Down to obscurity, don't let me ever be this alone. I'm falling, I'm falling, I'm falling, I'm falling, I'm falling.
Oh, my camera's gonna die. I'm sorry, Bree, if you watch this, but I'm gonna go to your room since you're not here right now and steal your charger or your battery because I'm gonna steal my sister's camera or her battery. Love you, sis. Also, I swear I did not intend to like go all ham and cleaning. But you know what, those times when you just like start cleaning and then you just really get in the mood and it's late at night and you're just like, yep, I'm gonna clean the whole freaking apartment. That's me. That's literally me right now. No better feeling than a clean tub. Oh, so clean. Smells good. Smells nice and clean because I use this. Bathroom is done, guys. So happy. Now I have to tackle the kitchen and the living room. Wow, I almost forgot. Literally so good. Okay, I'm gonna tackle this bad boy. Yeah, like my sister's freaking bananas. That's actually disgusting. She's supposed to throw that out and she didn't throw that out, so I'm pissed at her. And my sister's so gross. She literally left this since yesterday, so I'm not picking that shit up. She can pick that up. But besides that, I'm gonna clean up. I have a few dishes I have to wash. But the main thing I want to focus on after washing dishes is just cleaning the counters and sweeping because this is not cute. And I'm also gonna clean up my little dining area and sweep here as well. Alright, you guys, my apartment is clean. Of course, I'm gonna finish off again with this. The next thing that I'm gonna do in this little vlog of mine is shower and listen to a podcast while I shower. I love doing that so much. I don't wash my hair every single day because I know it's not good for you, but I felt like for today's vlog we're gonna go ahead and wash my hair. I think it's been like 3 days since I washed it, so I feel like it's time to wash it. I have it in a bun. You know when I have it in a bun that it's time to wash my hair, because that's literally the only time I actually put my hair in a bun, when it needs to be washed. So I'm gonna go ahead. Also, I'm a weirdo. I like to brush my hair before I wash my hair, because to like wash it really well, and then when I come out and I brush it with a comb, my hair isn't as tangled as if I were just to go in the shower right now and wash my hair, if that makes any sense. So I definitely recommend doing that, because I hate like having tangled hair and pulling out my hair when it's wet. Like my hair already falls out so much, but when it's wet and I'm pulling it like that, like it just falls out even more. So this really helps. So this is totally the perfect podcast, because so I love What We Said podcast. Such a good podcast. And it's how to achieve glowing skin, and it's kind of like skincare, which is perfect because I really wanted to focus this vlog. Yes, it's self-care, but I wanted to focus on my skin because I have honestly haven't improved. Well, I need to like, I did my nails and this like I was bored and I peeled it off, so I need to fix that. But I focus so much on my skin because I used to have really bad skin. If you guys don't know, I actually made a skincare video, this one right here, and basically show you guys before and after in that video if you guys want to go check it out. And just my skin got so bad, you guys. But I'm into a point where I'm generally really happy with my skin. It's not perfect. I have makeup on right now, so you can't see as much, but like I still have little bumps here. But honestly, like I don't really care, because like it's so much better than it used to be. And I have scarring, but like I could just cover it up. So like my hair, oh my gosh, I can't speak. My skin is actually pretty like smooth. But it just, compared to how it was, guys, crazy. I was gonna make a separate video on skincare, but I thought I would just put it in this vlog, because my skincare routine is pretty easy and I don't think I need to be filming an entire video for it, just because it's so simple. I just finished brushing my hair, so it looks really poofy, but yeah, I just finished brushing it, so I'm gonna shower right now, but I like to take off my makeup when I shower. I like to take it off before I shower just because I like to really scrub it in the shower. Not scrub it, but like I use my face wash in the shower. So I wear mascara obviously, and the only way I can actually take off mascara without like freaking damaging my lashes is by using coconut oil. So this is the one I use. And then I'm gonna go ahead and use some wipes after that. But you're gonna look like a complete mess in the beginning, I promise you. It's a little scary, but basically I just rub the oil and it melts in your hand because of like the warmth of your hand, and then I just go all out and just start massaging my eye kind of, and gently like starting to like remove the mascara, because that's generally like the hardest part of like makeup when taking off makeup. This is the face wash that I use at night. I like to use it every single night because it's supposed to really help with little bumps. I used to have a lot of little tiny bumps all around here. They weren't really acne, and I figured out how to get rid of it, and this is one of the things that really helps me get rid of those little bumps. So I definitely recommend this. So I'm gonna go ahead and shower, wash my hair, and wash my face and my body in the shower, and I will talk to you guys when I'm done. Okay, so I'm out of the shower and I look so cute. JK. I was gonna like wait till my hair dried out so I can put my hair down, but like honestly this is like a real ass vlog and I'm not even gonna do that because I like to do my skincare when I have my hair, like my towel back, just because like it kind of pushes all my hair back. Anyway, this is what I do in the night, you guys, and I'm no expert. This is just what has been working for me. Super simple, and I generally love doing it. In the night I like to put a toner. So I've been using a different toner, like a more gentle one, but lately I've been into this one. It's an oil eliminating astringent, and this just really helped because I had like, so once I got rid of my acne, I started having like little bumps, and this just really helped get rid of those little bumps. So I just keep using it. So I just use it like a toner all over my face. I scrub my freaking face while I was showering, and there's still like nasty ass shit on my face. So that's why I literally love using a toner. So I'm gonna let that dry off. I do want to like kind of give you guys a close-up of my skin because like I said, it's not perfect, but compared to how it was when it used to be, I just need you guys to go look at that video and just see the pictures that I put in there of my face before, my face after. It's amazing. But like my face is generally like soft, but like all this is scarring. My forehead is actually pretty damn clear, so that's nice. But next thing that I'm going to be using is lotion. This is the lotion version of the face wash that I showed you guys earlier. I use these only at night because you're not supposed to use I guess whatever ingredients are in here, you're not supposed to use them in the morning. So the next thing that I actually have been doing in the night, for some reason my face has been more dry, because in the winter my face gets a little more dry. I naturally have oily skin, but I have oily skin only on the T-zone, and around these areas I have like combination skin. So in the winter my face gets pretty dry, so I've been using an eye cream, and this is the Arbonne one. I generally don't care what kind of eye cream I use as long as it's actually moisturizing. I really don't care. I don't believe in like night creams that like help to puff the eyes or whatever. I don't know, I just don't believe in that. I just like to moisturize because I know how sensitive the under eye can be, and I like as of recently have just been really trying to take care of under eyes, and yeah, so while I let that kind of settle in, I'm gonna go ahead and do a little lip scrub. I like to do this like once a week. Actually, I think I stole this from my mom, or did she give it to me for Christmas? I don't know. But this is the Tree Hut Sugar Lips, and yeah, this is just the one I use. Okay, so basically I'm going to go ahead and wet my lips a little, dip it in. Wow. Literally the best feeling ever is having some smooth lips. Very last thing I have to do, and I feel like it's literally changed the way my skin has looked is The Ordinary, and I use this only at night. This and the face wash that I use in the night has lactic acid, and lactic acid, it's the one that you're not supposed to like use. You can use salicylic acid during the day, but not lactic acid. I guess that's gonna like, I think, damage your skin if you use it during the day. So I use this only at night. I use like an lactic acid serum in the night only. I use this. Only supposed to use it in the night. So I just do literally a few drops and focus this on my cheeks. That's all I do, you guys. Literally, that's all. I love to keep it minimal. I used to like use these scrubs that would just kill my skin and dry it out because I had so much acne and I thought that was the only way to get rid of it. But this has worked for me, so that's awesome. I'm gonna take out my towel. It keeps freaking falling. I'm gonna go ahead and brush the hair. Oh, literally the best feeling when you have your skincare done, your hair is nice and clean, you're nice and clean. Love this feeling. Now that that is all done, I'm kind of gonna get ready for bed. Basically what I mean by this, because I still have to do homework and edit this video, even though it's literally late as fuck, but you gotta do what you gotta do. Feels good. My apartment's literally so clean now. Nothing beats the feeling of a clean apartment, I swear. But now what I'm gonna do is kind of set my room, like the mood for my room, so that I can kind of get ready for bed. I'm probably gonna do some homework or edit. I'm not sure which one yet on my bed, but I still wanna like kind of set the mood. And this is how I do it. I'm gonna watch some Gilmore Girls while I get some shit done. But so now I'm gonna turn on these lights. Such a mood. And I'm gonna turn off this light. Like, this just looks so comfy. The blanket that I have underneath my like comforter is like this super soft like Mexican blanket I stole from my parents' house. The comfiest thing ever, but I don't like how it looks, so I kind of hide it underneath my comforter. This is my favorite spot ever, like right where I'm at, to like either do homework or edit when I just don't, like a lot of the times I'll go in the dining room and just kind of sit there, drink my coffee and like get shit done. But on days where I just don't want to leave my bed, I just love being here, being productive. Totally forgot I was gonna get ready for bed, but totally forgot that I have to go take some pills. I honestly, if I'm being honest with you guys, I forget a lot to do it, but I know I have to because that's literally what cured my skin. Like, I'm not being dramatic at all. The video that I have been referring to this whole video is the one about like me curing my skin. I mentioned all these products because they're literally what like cured my skin. I take Biozinc, pantothenic acid, and cod liver oil, and I just take one of each. I have these here now. Alright guys, so I'm gonna, spilled water everywhere, that's great. Guys, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm gonna go ahead and end the vlog here. I'm just finishing my day off with some water because hydration. I already brushed my teeth and all of that. I'm gonna finish this night by just doing some homework. Fun. So I'm just gonna end the vlog here. I hope you guys enjoyed. I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.